I had my first digital product sale at 21, and I sold basically a course for $997. And it's a pretty funny story, which I will honestly remember forever. I woke up, I think at 6 a.m. I was gonna get ready to do some deep work for like 45 minutes before I would drive myself to the gym. And I grabbed my phone and I saw a notification from Slack. Somebody had joined my Slack group. And for a moment I was like, how is that possible? Because the only way somebody can join my Slack group is if they bought my course. And then I was like, whoa, somebody bought my course? Like, I had this realization in the moment. And I thought, oh, but it's probably too good to be true. You know, like, okay, somebody bought the course. I didn't know for how much because I only saw that somebody joined my group on my phone. And I thought, oh, they probably just took the lowest installment plan because I was selling it for a one-time payment of $997. But then I think I had a different payment plans, and I think the lowest was either $97 a month for 12 months or $67 a month. So in my mind at the time, I thought, surely the person just bought it for the cheapest price possible, because I had people messaging me and asking me like for the lowest price possible. So I thought, oh, it's another cheap ass person who bought it, and they're probably gonna ask for a refund, and they're probably gonna not pay the next parts of the installment. So I was like, it's probably just too good to be true. Of course, I felt the adrenaline still, you know, like it was pretty crazy because that was my first digital product sale. Like I resold some electronics on Amazon before, but it wasn't a business. Like I resold old stuff I didn't really use anymore, so I lost money. I didn't make money because used stuff always sells for less than new stuff, obviously. And so I open up my laptop, I go into system.io, which is the site I used to build my funnels and my course, etc. And I'm staring at the dashboard in complete disbelief. I see it on my screen, $997 while I was asleep. The sale happened around 4 a.m. for me. I was like, I couldn't even fucking believe it, to be honest with you. That was the best day of my life. And the person loved the product. Like, I had nothing to worry about. That was my first big online sale. My first $1,000 day at 21. Now, I'd be lying to you if I said that this money was consistent every day ever since that day. That wasn't true back then. I made it once, and then crickets. Then I had leads into my funnels, but nobody else really bought it. I had a couple people buy it on the lowest installment plan, or like, I was trying to sell my course for $100 because I didn't really have enough traffic. What I didn't know at the time is I was selling it the wrong way. So the issue wasn't the product, because later on a lot more people bought it because I changed the sales funnel I was using and more people bought it. Like I made over almost $40,000 by simply changing how I was selling it instead of changing the product itself. Like if you have a product right now and you're not getting many sales or any sales at all, your problem might not be your product. Your product might be actually quite amazing. The issue might be you're not getting enough people to see your product. Like if nobody knows you exist and that you have something to sell, I'm sure you can see how you're not going to make any money. Or the other problem could be that you're not selling it the right way. Maybe you should sell your product with a sales call funnel. Maybe you should sell your product via a webinar. Maybe it should be sold via a monthly recurring community. There's many different ways you can sell a digital product. There's a typical sales page, which I've found is the least good option. It works the least in my humble opinion from everything that I've tried. Then there's a sales call funnel. So instead of somebody buying, they book a call and the sale happens on the phone and you charge a lot more because you take all that time with them, etc. So that works amazing. This changed my life. I made a lot of money with that. And then they're selling like monthly communities on School, for example. That is amazing. I don't know what it is about School, but it's recurring income, so it's pretty great. And also, people trust the platform. They might not necessarily trust your website. So there's many factors that go into how you should sell your product. And if you're serious about making money online, when you're done watching this video, click the link in the description or in the pinned comment on this video. You'll get access to my private School community and program where I'm teaching people just like you how they can monetize their passion or interests with digital products. It's literally the business model all the gurus are doing, even the ones who tell you to do dropshipping or all these other things. And it's made me thousands of dollars a day. And I am personally gonna show you everything step by step. So click the link in the description below and join today.